how I teach it. I'm doing it to restore the names of these women who wrote so many of these early films and deserve to be remembered. Frances Marion was the highest paid screenwriter in Hollywood for 30 years, more than any man in town. Anita Loos wrote Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, which is a classic and should be remembered. So all these women are big names in the early days. I think that modern women need to know that women once ran this town, or my town, sorry, because we have to stop having executives ask us how come women are working and should they be doing these things, because maybe they can't manage it, right? Which is nonsense. It's been nonsense forever. So I also teach this program for a school that is a female college. So I give it a female focus for two reasons. One, so the women hear about all these women they should know about. And two, because we forget that when people come into a master's program, at least in the States, they come with sometimes already a film bachelor. So they've seen a history of film course through the director's vision and through all the famous men. They know Coppola, they know everybody they need to know. They do not know these women, and these women have been equally as financially successful as men all the way through.